How to screenshot a Snapchat story without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can screenshot a story without letting the user know that you have screenshotted it. As you know, due to Snapchat security reasons, it will immediately warn or send a notification to the user that you have taken a screenshot if you have taken one. So the option what you can do is open up Snapchat and then head into chats and view at the stories, and then what you can do is record it or click a picture with another phone or the second device. This is the easiest way to get a copy of the photo, video or message from the Snapchat application without notifying them. Now the other option what you can do is use screen recording app. Now I'm already screen recording here right now, so what you can do is head into App Store or Play Store and use screen recording. However, if you use App Store or Play Store screen recording, then they might get notified about it. So what you want to do is use your device default screen recorder. So this way they won't know that you have screenshotted or screen recorded their story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.